So large house, doing all the carpets, we're doing a full-on pet treatment. The previous tenants had pets, and you can smell it, odor. We're doing all this tile. So yeah, white grout and not well taken care of. So we should be able to get this looking great again. Not worried about the countertops, I guess. Entryway, bathrooms. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. This is our only job for the day. It's gonna probably take us about 3 hours. I would say that's my estimation. We're gonna go ahead and knock out the tile first. Most of it, except for the entryway. Then we're gonna skip over, get all the carpet, and then work our way out with the rest of the tile. So we got the big scrubber. I love this. It's a Viper, and there's different things, CRBs and stuff you can use, but I love this one right here. It's battery operated, no wires involved. Brenda can get on there and do her thing. And we got our detail stuff here, a hand tool, and then a little one. For me, I usually have one of these in my back pocket. So if I run across a part that isn't cleaned up too well, I have a little spotter here. And this spotter right here is Dissolve All. Ooh, I'm telling you, Dissolve All is one of my favorite. I boost with it, and this type of stuff here, spotting, right? It eliminates anything. It's awesome. So especially tile cleaning in the kitchen and stuff like that, you got oils and greases and stuff like that. So I keep that close by. So what I'm gonna do now is Brenda's still vacuuming. I'm gonna go ahead and pre-spray all this stuff and do some detailing around the corners. They're gonna get some painters in here next week. So people kind of lived hard in this place. Beautiful home too. All right. Pre-sprayed all this area. I'm gonna go around to all the edges, corners of the floor with this thing and break that up. That way it makes the job a lot easier. All right, so done with the kitchen. What do you guys think? The customer didn't have any hope in this floor at all. He's gonna be amazed. And once we get the fans on there, it's gonna lighten up even more. So, moving on. So a little reminder of what that looked like. Moving on, we're doing the bathroom now. All right, so we're on the carpet now. Already pre-sprayed everything. Brenda already pre-scrubbed all that. And she's pre-scrubbing the rest. Ooh, that tile looks amazing. Now this I had to do the Green Rhino cocktail on this. It's all over. There's pet stains everywhere, and there's an odor. So this is what we do every time we do an all-over pet treatment. Agitate everything in. If you don't agitate everything in and you do the Green Rhino cocktail or any other pet treatment, and you're probably not going to get the best results because, you know, a lot of it's going to be sitting on top, right? So kind of just massage it into the fiber, let it dwell as long as possible. You don't have to let it dwell too long with this chemistry. So by the time I get to going, it's good. So I'm gonna go ahead and fire up the machine. Guys, just an update. I went back to start up the machine for cleaning the carpet and just realized I cleaned the whole tile job with no heat. That's cold water. So if your chemistry is good, guys, and you're getting into the business, I guess you don't need heat, huh? For tile cleaning. All right, we're moving on. Moving our way out. Through here. We already did the living room. Almost done. Wow, looks like we installed new tile. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah, so total makeover of this home, ready for the painters and everybody else to get. So I think we saved him from replacing the carpet. He wasn't expecting, you know, miracles as far as carpet worn fibers and stuff, but everything else we got smells a lot better. Tile looks great. And yeah. All right, guys, like, subscribe, comment. You know the routine. We got to put away all this stuff, and it just started raining. All right, see you in the next one.
Well, how'd it go?
Well, you tell me.
Looks great. Wow. Is it okay? Should I put booties on?
Yeah, I got some shoe covers right there. It's good. Well, it's better than I think it's gonna be.
Pretty good for 22-year-old tile.
Yeah, looks brand new. Looks brand new.